Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel, We and Homeopathy. We have started a Materia Medica series. We have started with Zincum Metallicum. In the first video of the series, you saw introduction and objective pointers of Zincum Metallicum. In this video, we'll see something about mind of Zincum Metallicum. One of the greatest pointers of Zincum Metallicum is the hyperactivity, the restlessness, particularly of the lower limbs. Hyperactivity, restlessness, and hurriedness in eating and drinking is very marked, as we have seen in the earlier video. One of the greatest pointers of Zincum Metallicum is the only thing which is highlighted in Allen's keynotes in the mind is child repeats everything what is said to him, or he repeats questions before answering them. So can you explain, or can you state the reason why a Zincum patient does so? If you know the answer, kindly comment. I'll answer it in the next video. One of the greatest pointers of Zincum Metallicum is the person repeats the questions before answering. Zincum patient is very superstitious. The other important superstitious remedies are Argentum nitricum, conium, stramonium, and rustox. And rustox obviously is the only remedy listed against the rubric fear superstitious. Coming back to Zincum Met, the prominent pointers: the Zincum person repeats questions before answering them. Zincum person is very superstitious, and one important thing, he is very dissatisfied and always complaining. He drives everybody mad, torments everybody with his constant complaining. The other remedy which comes very close to this aspect drives everyone mad or torments everyone by his complaints. That points out to two important remedies: Zincum Met and nitric acid. So these are the very broad pointers, and one important thing in Zincum Met is we see that Zincum has ailments from grief and fright. There are some other factors also which lead to the development of a Zincum individual. If you see the rubric ailments from domination children in parental control, long history of excessive, obviously the very well-known remedy is carcinosin. We have Aurumur nat, which is higher grade than others. We have only 11 remedies listed against this rubric, and Zincum is included in that. One more important aspect of Zincum is the head rules the heart. The emotions are predominated by intellect. There are only 11 remedies listed against this rubric, and we know Kali Carbon, Viola odorata being the very important ones. Zincum is also listed. What makes Zincum different from other remedies listed under this rubric is Zincum has a need to be intellectual and achieve in something in the intellectual field, in the intellectual aspect, and that is why he goes on to suppress his emotions. Repressed emotions can cause somnambulism, and suppressed anger can cause to trembling and restlessness. So one of the important remedies where you see the head rules the heart, Kali Carbon, Viola odorata being very important remedies, you can add Zincum to this also. Now we come to what Dr. Vijaykar sir says about Zincum Metallicum. He says Zincum is a chilly and is a thirstless remedy. Dr. Vijaykar sir says Zincum is a chilly and thirstless remedy, whereas Dr. Franz Vermeulen in his Focus Materia Medica, he says that Zincum can be a warm remedy also. Dr. Vijaykar sir says that it has a metallic positivity, yet it's a left-sided remedy. It is a metal not as strong as ferrum or cuprum. It is a timid metal. Being a timid metal, it has a lot of irritability, and the irritability alternates with restlessness. And one thing what Dr. Vijaykar sir highlights is the religious aspect. Zincum is included in the rubric religious affections. So this was first part of the mind of Zincum. We'll continue the mind of Zincum in the second video. So stay tuned in this series. Videos will be posted regularly. We'll cover one drug exhaustively. You can also follow my Instagram handle VN Homeopathy. The link is there in the details are there in the description. And if you have any, what drug do you want to be discussed next, you can comment. If you wish to add something about Zincum, you can comment. If you want to ask any question, you can ask. So do stay tuned, and I shall be back with Zincum Metallicum Mind Part 2. Thank you so much for joining. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Thank you so much for tuning in.